Hello and welcome to my knit stitch tutorial. I have a free pattern using this stitch called the Knit Stitch Basket on my website at www.sweetsofties.com. If you would like the pattern link, please check out the link in the description box below. Before the video portion, I'm going to quickly run through some photos to show you this stitch. It's exactly the same as a single crochet, but the difference is where you insert your hook. The blue dot shows where you insert your hook for making a regular single crochet. If you insert your hook in between a stitch instead, which is where the pink dot is, that will make a knit stitch. So as you can see here, this is a single crochet hook insertion, and this is a knit stitch hook insertion. So today I'm going to show you the knit stitch, which I'm going to be using to make this basket, and the free pattern will be available on my blog, so check that out. So for the knit stitch, what you're going to do is insert your hook right into the middle of a stitch. So instead of us going into the both loops here, like say with a regular single crochet or a double crochet, you're going to go into this little V. You're actually going straight into the stitch below. So here I'm going to stick it in, yarn over, pull out, and then finish it with a single crochet like normal, just like so. Let me do it a few more times. So take your hook, instead of going under the two loops, go straight into the little V, straight into the stitch. And there you go, there's another. So as you can see, when you start going into the stitch, it's going to create little V shapes, or heart shapes if you want to call them that, sitting right atop each other. And that creates a really lovely knit look effect. And it's particularly nice for baskets or home decor. And it's also quite a sturdy stitch. So what you're going to want to be aware of is try and use a bigger hook in order to make sure you have enough space. It's very, very dense. All right, so I'm going to do a few more. Again, insert your hook into the V, yarn over, pull out, single crochet. Insert your hook into the V, yarn over, pull out, single crochet. And one more. Insert your hook right inside the V, yarn over, pull out, and single crochet. All right, I hope this quick and easy stitch tutorial has been helpful for you, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. All right, thank you very much. Bye now. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a wonderful day. Remember, if you'd like the knit stitch basket pattern, please check out my website or find the link in the description box below. Thank you.